09, I'm back, and Gracie, this is for you, again, and the rest of my viewers. It got even darker. This is over here on the NASA feed, courtesy of Griffith Observatory. I'm not quite sure where that's at. I'm going to check this other feed over here and see what it's doing. That's weird. To my naked eye, it looks like it's like a lot darker red than it really is. That's advertising, anyhow. This one over here is, yeah, it's just different. Just depends on how you look at it. And the shadow, if you look, you can see my mouse. It came across like this. It just started going a little bit at a time, a little bit at a time, a little bit at a time. And then the last little bit you saw outside when I was still standing out in the backyard was right in there. But earlier, I noticed when it first started, just a sliver of a shadow right here. Down here, it looked kind of red for a minute. Okay? Now, Mars is, if you're looking at it right, it's like way up here above it. You can't see it on that shot there because I've got it zoomed in too far. But there's a little star to the right that you saw outside. You may not have seen it. When it was about right here with the shadow, I kid you not, I saw this little thingamajigger jump off the moon, and it just kind of vanished. And I saw it with my naked eye. I didn't see it with the camera, so I'm going to have to check the clip and find out, but could it have been one of them UFOs or something? I don't know. I'm pretty open-minded about that kind of stuff, but who knows? We'll see. And maybe I was just seeing things. It was really neat, though, as the moon got darker and darker, and the clouds started clearing, you should have seen all the stars that started showing up. That's incredible. But anyhow, this thing's going to start coming out of the shadow here, and I'm guessing that we will start seeing the light appearing over here, because this is the same way the shadow came across, this way, but eventually the light will start coming this way, as the sun comes back around the other side of the world, of course, because we're spinning on our axis and all that cool stuff. And it'll be like watching a sunrise. And you just slowly see the moon start going from this color back into a lighter color and lighter and so on and so forth until it's fully white. And basically you see a full moon here by about, it's about a 1:45. Pardon me, that was my Dr. Pepper talking. Anyway, it's about 1:45 a.m. here, Pacific Standard Time. So, some of you might be able to see this if you're up in the LC Valley here, or wherever you're at. Those that are up on the hill with our astronomy club from the Lewis Clark State College, they're getting a really good view of this and Mars and stuff. I hope they bundled up, because it's downright cold out there. It's showing it's in the 50s, but the wind chill makes it feel like it's upper 20s, lower 30s. And our dew point tonight is at 26 some odd, so, I mean, if it gets much colder, we're going to wind up probably frosting the pumpkin. Or, all over the windows in the morning. So, anyways. Have a question. Twitter using hashtag SLOH. That's live, by the way. And they'll answer it live on the air. This is via their YouTube feed with SLU. And the keyword is the total lunar eclipse special. You want to put that in. I also have the feed or the link on my Facebook for those of you that are watching, not via Godsman09 on YouTube, but via my other feed. I'm not disclosing my name at this time. If you're smart enough, you'll figure it out. But there it is. And I'll be back in a few minutes with some more clips as it slowly retreats from the shadow there. This is Godsman09 signing off yet again.